about the splitting sky. The splitting sky is a visual phenomenon caused by crepuscular rays, sunlight streaming through gaps in clouds or mountains. This creates the illusion that the sky is divided, often appearing dramatic or supernatural, though it's actually a, a natural plane of light and shade.
The sky splitting phenomenon is a natural event that looks like the sky is divided into two different parts. One side is bright and other side dark. This usually happens when the sky is blocked by thick clouds or big objects like a mountain, so the sunlight only lights the part of the sky. The difference in lighting makes it look like the sky is split. Sometimes this also happens because of crepuscular rays, which are lines of sunlight that pass through space between the clouds. It can also be caused by cloud shadow that blocks sunlight from reaching some part of the sky. Even though it looks strange or amazing, this is a normal and harmless event that usually happens during sunrise or sunset, when sunlight comes in from a low angle. Scientifically, these clouds are formed due to the meeting of two air masses with different humidity or water vapor content. In more detail, the meeting of warm air masses with high humidity and cool air masses with low humidity causes the formation of roll clouds. And these clouds often have a unique shape like a roll and wall of clouds, and that is what causes the impression of being split.
Have you ever seen the sky appear split into as if a beam of light divides it right down the middle? This phenomenon is often called a split sky, but what's really happening? Let's find out together. In August 2021, a video showing a split sky phenomenon in Pacitan, Java, went viral on social media. The video featured a long, straight cloud piercing across the sky, sparking various speculation among the public.
Fenomena langit terbelah. Langit terbelah oleh Mega di Kabupaten Pacitan. Tanggal 2 Agustus, tanggal 6 Agustus. Sangat cantik ya, seperti ombak.
There are two possible explanations for this phenomenon. The first is the roll cloud. Roll clouds usually form in front of a wall line where strong air currents exist. Cool air descending from a storm meets warm air at the surface, creating a long, isolated cloud separate from the main storm system. This can create the appearance of a split sky. The second theory is jet contrails. These are condensation trails left behind by jet planes. They are formed from the water vapor produced by the engines exhaust, which condenses and forms sky clouds across the sky. This can look like a split sky.
Sebuah video yang menampilkan fenomena alam disebut langit terbelah di Pacitan, Jawa Timur menjadi viral di media sosial. Video berdurasi 58 detik tersebut salah satunya diunggah oleh akun Facebook bernama Pacitan Network pada Sabtu 7 Agustus 2021. Fenomena langit di Pacitan, Jawa Timur, tulis pemilik akun tersebut. Perekam video juga terdengar memberikan pernyataan yang berisi penjelasan mengenai fenomena alam tersebut. Hingga saat ini, videonya telah ditonton ribuan kali oleh warganet di Facebook. Keberadaan video tersebut membuat sejumlah warganet berspekulasi, bahkan percaya fenomena itu merupakan pertanda akan terjadinya gempa bumi. Lantas bagaimana penjelasan BMKG? Kepala Bidang Mitigasi Gempa Bumi dan Tsunami BMKG, Daryono, memberikan penjelasan soal fenomena penampakan awan putih yang membentuk garis panjang bak membelah langit. Penjelasan itu disampaikan melalui media sosial pribadinya dari Facebook. Menurut Daryono, ada dua dugaan terkait jenis awan unik berbentuk lurus di Pacitan. Dugaan pertama, awan unik tersebut merupakan roll cloud atau awan gulung, awan yang termasuk langka tetapi memang beberapa kali terjadi di beberapa tempat. Sedangkan kemungkinan kedua, awan ini diduga terbentuk akibat lintasan pesawat jet. Daryono menjelaskan biasanya jika kejadian itu disebabkan pesawat maka jejaknya relatif kecil, diameter awannya lebih kuat dengan warna langit. Daryono menambahkan dua dugaan itu muncul karena tayangan video viral di media sosial yang tidak begitu jelas. Meski demikian, ia memastikan awan membentang yang disebut membelah langit itu merupakan fenomena atmosferik biasa, bukan pertanda akan terjadi gempa besar atau bencana lainnya. Selama ini, imbuh dia, memang sebagian masyarakat ada yang menduga bahkan percaya keterkaitan antara bentuk awan lurus di langit dengan pertanda akan terjadinya gempa. Hanya saja dugaan itu masih sangat spekulatif. Pasalnya belum ada kajian ilmiah yang membuktikan kebenarannya. Demikian pula belum terbukti secara empiris.
Fascinating split skies that often amaze us and goes viral on social media can actually be explained scientifically, whether it's to a roll cloud or jet chemtrails. Both are natural atmosphere events. The MKG is explanation also confirmed that this isn't a mystical or supernatural sign, just a normal part of weather dynamics. Now, we know that the split sky phenomenon isn't something to be feared, but rather a fascinating natural occurrence worth in understanding more deeply. Next, let's hear an interesting explanation from my friend about fun and surprising facts behind the split sky phenomenon. You might end up being even more amazed by this wonder of nature.
The sky in Ciamis Regency display an unusual take on Thursday evening, July 27. At around 6:15 p.m. with a glowing orange cloud appeared seemingly splicing the sky and spicing the residents of Ciamis. This phenomenon was visible until 6:30 p.m. before it eventually disappeared. The MKG explained that the phenomenon was most likely caused by a roll cloud or Arcturus cloud of the roll type, which form from the mixing of warm and cold air masses. Another possibility is home clouds from airplanes, based on atmospheric humidity data. The MKG conclude that the main cause was a roll cloud, and the public is advised to remain calm as this is a common natural phenomenon.
The phenomenon that occurred like the sky fitting in Pacitan really happened and was captured on camera. BMKG Indonesia Meteorological Agency said that is the common natural phenomenon like the caused by a roll cloud or control or outfront cloud.
This has no relation to desert of the supernatural things. Fiction, the sky actually physically reversed of the sheer oven. A seed of the Ficus makes accurate or sometimes mystical. A supernatural ever the